Hi guys, I am Anthony Francis. A very warm welcome to my channel. Friends, Snapdragon 720G and Snapdragon 730G both are mid-range processors, but there is a confusion as to which is better between the two. If you only go by the numbers, then you might think that Snapdragon 730G having a higher number might be better than Snapdragon 720G, but actually that is not the case. So in this video, we will do a quick comparison between Snapdragon 720G and Snapdragon 730G and find out which is better. Alright then, let's start. If we talk about the launch date, then Snapdragon 720G was launched on 20th January 2020, whereas Snapdragon 730G was launched on 9th April 2019. So Snapdragon 720G is a new processor between the two. In terms of fabrication technology, both Snapdragon 720G and 730G are fabricated on 8 nanometer LPP process technology. So in terms of power efficiency, both will be almost equal. Snapdragon 720G supports a maximum on-device display up to Full HD+, whereas Snapdragon 730G supports a maximum on-device display up to Quad HD+. Both Snapdragon 720G and Snapdragon 730G support refresh rate up to 120 Hz and both support HDR10 as well. So in terms of display support, Snapdragon 730G has a little edge as it supports up to Quad HD Plus display as compared to Snapdragon 720G's Full HD Plus display support. Snapdragon 720G comes with Qualcomm Spectra 350L ISP and supports dual camera up to 16 megapixel with zero shutter lag and multi-frame noise reduction at 30 frames per second. Supports single camera up to 32 megapixel with zero shutter lag and multi-frame noise reduction at 30 frames per second. Supports single camera up to 48 megapixel with multi-frame noise reduction and supports single camera up to 192 megapixel. Snapdragon 730G comes with Qualcomm Spectra 350 ISP and supports dual camera up to 22 megapixel with zero shutter lag and multi-frame noise reduction at 30 frames per second. Supports single camera up to 36 megapixel with zero shutter lag and multi-frame noise reduction at 30 frames per second. Supports single camera up to 48 megapixel with multi-frame noise reduction and supports single camera up to 192 megapixel. So in terms of camera support, Snapdragon 730G seems to be a little better than Snapdragon 720G, but there is no big difference between the two as regards camera support and both are almost equal. And as far as camera is concerned, your smartphone will always feature a camera that supports the processor, that is in tune with the processor. So this point should not matter much. Both Snapdragon 720G and 730G support video capture or video recording up to 4K Ultra HD at 30 frames per second. They also support 1080p and 720p video capture, but the maximum video capture support is up to 4K Ultra HD. Both 720G and 730G also support 1080p slow motion video recording at 120 frames per second and 720p slow motion video recording at 240 frames per second. So in terms of video capture, there is no difference at all between Snapdragon 720G and 730G. Moving further, now let's see the CPU and the GPU. Snapdragon 720G features Kryo 465 64-bit octa-core CPU, which comprises of 2 Kryo 465 Gold high-performance cores up to 2.3 GHz and 6 Kryo 465 Silver high-efficiency cores up to 1.8 GHz, whereas Snapdragon 730G features Kryo 470 64-bit octa-core CPU, which comprises of 2 Kryo 470 Gold high-performance cores up to 2.2 GHz and 6 Kryo 470 Silver high-efficiency cores up to 1.8 GHz. If you see the 6 high-efficiency cores, that is Cortex A55 cores, are clocked similarly at 1.8 GHz in both 720G and 730G, but the 2 high-performance cores, that is Cortex A76 cores, are clocked at 2.3 GHz in 720G, 100 MHz higher than 730G, which is clocked at 2.2 GHz. So in terms of CPU, 720G will perform a little better than 730G, but only a little, and that does not mean that the CPU of 730G is bad. It is equally good as well. If we talk about the GPU, both Snapdragon 720G and 730G feature the same Qualcomm Adreno 618 GPU. So in terms of GPU, you will get the same gaming performance in both 720G and 730G. Both Snapdragon 720G and 730G support dual channel LPDDR4X RAM up to 8 GB and up to maximum frequency of 1866 MHz. With regards to storage, both 720G and 730G support eMMC and UFS 2.1. So in terms of RAM and storage, there is no difference at all between 720G and 730G. If we talk about the AI engine, then Qualcomm constantly keeps on improving the AI engine, which means that new processors will have new and better AI engine. Snapdragon 720G comes with Qualcomm Hexagon 692 DSP and 5th generation AI engine, whereas Snapdragon 730G comes with Qualcomm Hexagon 688 DSP and 4th generation AI engine. So in terms of AI engine, Snapdragon 720G is definitely better than Snapdragon 730G. If we talk about the modem, both Snapdragon 720G and 730G comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon X15 LTE modem, which supports LTE peak download speed up to 800 Mbps and LTE peak upload speed up to 150 Mbps. So in terms of modem and peak download and peak upload speed, there is no difference at all between Snapdragon 720G and 730G. If we talk about the connectivity, Snapdragon 720G supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth version 5.1, NFC, USB 3.1 and USB Type-C, whereas Snapdragon 730G supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth version 5.0, NFC, USB 3.1 and USB Type-C. In addition, Snapdragon 720G also supports Navic, India's own GPS navigation system. As regards charging technology, Snapdragon 720G supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 technology, whereas Snapdragon 730G supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 Plus technology. If we talk about the main difference, then we can see that Snapdragon 720G chipset comes with Kryo 465 octa-core CPU up to 2.3 GHz, while Snapdragon 730G chipset comes with Kryo 470 octa-core CPU up to 2.2 GHz. Both the chipsets use 6 Cortex A55 cores and 2 Cortex A76 cores, and the Cortex A55 cores are clocked similarly at 1.8 GHz on both the chipsets, while the Cortex A76 cores on Snapdragon 720G are clocked at 2.3 GHz, 100 MHz higher than Snapdragon 730G, which is clocked at 2.2 GHz. But this is just a marginal difference, and it is okay to say both Snapdragon 720G and 730G are equally capable in terms of CPU performance. The Snapdragon 720G comes with 5th generation AI engine, while Snapdragon 730G comes with 4th generation AI engine, so you will find a better AI performance in 720G with respect to image quality and gaming. The Snapdragon 720G supports Navic, India's own GPS navigation system, while Snapdragon 730G does not support Navic, so it's obvious if you have a Snapdragon 720G powered smartphone, then you can connect to Navic navigation system. To conclude, Snapdragon 720G and 730G both are almost equal in terms of support for display, camera, video capture, CPU and GPU, RAM and storage, modem and connectivity, and charging technology. While initial references suggested that Snapdragon 720G might be placed between Snapdragon 712 and 730G, but after a proper comparison between Snapdragon 720G and 730G, it can be said that Snapdragon 720G is on par in terms of performance with Snapdragon 730G. In fact, in some aspects, Snapdragon 720G has a slight edge over 730G. As a personal choice, I would prefer Snapdragon 720G over 730G. And you tell me which processor will you choose, 720G or 730G. But you can purchase any smartphone of your choice powered by Snapdragon 720G or 730G. Both will be equally good in terms of performance. But while purchasing a new smartphone, don't just consider the processor, consider other factors as well, such as display, camera, RAM and storage, battery, brand, and most important of all, your budget. I hope you might have liked the video. If you have liked the video, then kindly click the like button, kindly share the video, and kindly subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Thanks a lot for your support. This is Anthony Francis signing off. Bye. See you. Take care. Have a nice time. Have a nice day.